Ramadan, 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 marhaba.
Asalamualaikum Indulgers, welcome to the Ramadan cooking series. Today we are kicking off the series with Kunun Samia, also known as spiced tamarind and millet porridge. This porridge is quick and easy to prepare and not to mention very nutritious. To prepare this porridge, you will need a few ingredients: tamarind, millet powder, negro pepper, cloves, chili powder and ginger powder. All of the measurements for this recipe will be as follows. Into a pot, I've added 8 cups of water and added the spices and brought it to a boil. Next, add about an index finger sized amount of tamarind. You may add more or less tamarind depending on how sour you like your porridge. Once you've added the tamarind, allow it to boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the liquid from the heat and introduce part of it into your millet powder to form a loose paste. Once you have formed a smooth paste, reintroduce the liquid back onto the stove and pour in the millet paste while whisking briskly. Allow it to cook further until you are satisfied with the thickness of your Kunun Samia. Remove it from the heat and serve. Add sugar to taste and enjoy it with your favorite appetizers. Thank you all for watching and Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan.